What's up guys, AK with DCC Train. In this video I'm going to provide a few tips, help you to decide you want to do it yourself or somebody do it for you. Installation of non-sound decoder. This is Micro Ace Nankai 50,000 series bullet train. Love that thing. I did installation a while ago and here we go. The major difficulties, I should say, it's not a problem. So these guys know what they're doing. So the brushes with that motor, and I have to take it apart completely actually, and I took those brushes, actually holders for the brushes for the wire, out and solder wires with a special flux. They kind of stainless steel type, so they're very sturdy. At the same time you can bend them, but it's not made of copper or brass or something like this. So the idea what these guys did, so the motor here and two contacts just sticking out, and usually if it's different metals, they might react differently with each other and start like oxidation process. So those two contacts sticking out, just touching this pickup, to very high quality special brass or something. Yeah, so they not oxidized, they very nice, and that's the deal. Solder it without flux or just without special flux, it's not gonna happen. So also I use like very fine sanding paper to completely sand it everything out. Use alcohol to rub all stuff out, or some just not good residue, and solder them. So that's the deal. I like the idea how they accomplish it, but for insulation of the motor, it's just not gonna work very well. This is my way. If you have another solutions or you're doing it differently, I'm glad to hear about it. I did research and didn't find anything like decoder going. Maybe I'm missing something. They have a light set, LED light sets, but I didn't see any decoders like plug and play for it. All right, that will be all. I hope it will help you. If you'd like to support the channel, please join membership, and thank you for supporting business. Have a good one. Bye bye.